So here's how to fix Roblox error code 403 authentication failed fix. So first what we want to do is close Roblox completely by opening the task manager and then searching for Roblox in here. And if you find any instances of the game running, right click on them and end task for all. Now I can simply close this. Next we want to open the run command. Right clicking Windows icon, click run. And in here, in this window, you want to type %, update % again, then press OK or enter, and it should open up this folder. Now we want to go back to update by clicking on it on the top. Now go to local and then find Roblox folder. Now if you find the Roblox folder, you will need to right click on it and click delete to completely remove the folder. Now you can simply close this. Next, you want to go to the network settings by right clicking Windows icon, go to system. And then once the settings is open, you will need to go to network and internet. And in here, click on VPN. Now make sure if you have a VPN, it's disconnected. You will see a disconnect button in here if it's already connected. Otherwise, you can use the external VPN software to disconnect. Next, you can close this. Next, you want to open your browser and then go to roblox.com and click on any experience in the home page here. Then click on the play button, and it should prompt you to download the Roblox client again. So you should see download and install Roblox in here. Click on it to download Roblox again and run the installer to start installing the game. Now you can close this. Now, if it still does not work for you after doing that, what you can do is right click Windows icon and go to the network and internet section, and then click on your Ethernet or Wi-Fi connection. Now, you will need to edit the DNS server assignment by clicking on edit. Set the DNS settings to manual. Enable IPv4 and use this preferred DNS, which is 8.8.8.8. And then for the alternate DNS, we want to use 8.8.4.4. Now click on save. Now you can simply close this. Next, what you can do is check the firewall settings by going to the settings again. And then in here, search for firewall. Then click Windows Defender Firewall. Now you can either temporarily disable Windows Defender like this and test if that works, or you can click on allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall, and in here make sure you add Roblox. If it doesn't exist already in here, you can click allow an app or allow another app. Browse to Roblox. If you don't know the path where Roblox is installed, you can go back to the desktop, right click on the Roblox player, show more options, and properties and open file location. In here you want to copy this path, and then you can close this and go back to the firewall settings, allow another app, browse, and paste the path in here. Press enter, and then select Roblox player beta. Now click on add. It will tell you that it's already in here, so make sure you enable private and public settings, then press OK. Now you can simply close this, and now you should simply try to run the game or Roblox player as administrator, and that should solve the problem. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.